Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards this relationship, your energies in this relationship, and your mutual energy along with the future potential. So let's start the reading for Capricorn. Judgment, the Devil, Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, King of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Eight of Swords. Okay. Capricorn, your person's energy in this relationship is that your person is kind of very much obsessed with material things. Okay, there is something there in their life. Okay, they are very much obsessed with that. It could happen for some of you that your person is very much attached towards their money and material things, as I said with this Devil card. Okay, it could also happen that your person is very much obsessed with some kind of a sexual energy and they want to hang out with some other people as well. Okay, although I feel your person feels happy with you, and with this judgment card, your person is kind of very much optimistic in life. That's what I'm also feeling with this judgment card. But there is something there in their life, they are very much obsessed with that, and I feel it is money. Your person is very much money obsessed. Okay, they always keep on thinking about how to grow their money, and they are very much interested to know all the methods and techniques how to increase your money, how to double your and how to how to double your money or how to increase your money, their money. Okay, they are kind of very much obsessed with this energy. They are very much obsessed. On the other hand, with this Lover cards, I feel that you feel about your person that they are the one with whom you would like to spend rest of their life. Okay, you feel that your person has, and I am also feeling that, as I said, that your person feels happy with you. They also know that you love them and they love you. There is a mutual love between you two, but they are very much interested to earn money, lot of money. They need money. They are obsessed with money. That's what I'm trying to say. But there is mutual love between you and your person with this Lover cards. Okay, that's what you feel, and you also feel with this Lover cards that your person is the only one with whom you would like to settle down in future and coming time. Okay, with this King of Cups, you have emotions for your person. You have a lot of emotions for your person. Okay, you have emotions for your person. You are always ready to be with your person. You are always ready to take your helping hand towards your person with this King of Cups. I feel with that, and with this Four of Pentacles, I feel that you are someone. You know how to balance things. Basically, you know how to show your emotions, how to love your person, how to make your person feel in this relationship. And on the other hand, I'm also seeing that you are also the person who knows how to earn money, how to invest money, how to spend money, basically. Okay, So that is your energy. You are in balance right now, but your person is very much obsessed with the money thing. The current situation of your relationship is Four of Wands, and it's a very good sign. I'm seeing some commitment with this Four of Wands. I'm seeing some good news coming towards you with this Four of Wands. I'm seeing some kind of a relationship. Maybe you are going to propose to your person, or your person is going to propose to you for marriage thing, or you, maybe for some of you, you want to take this relationship on the next level. Maybe both of you are manifesting something and your manifestation has been done, and you have already received what you have manifested. Okay, and I feel that both of you have manifested your partner, and I'm seeing a commitment coming towards you, or maybe there is some kind of a commitment talk is going on with you, between you and your person, with this Four of Wands. And the future outcome of this reading, I mean future potential of this relationship, is that I'm feeling that in future also your person is going to be trapped in this devil energy. Okay, they can move out from this energy. They can choose to ignore, or they can choose to escape from this devil energy, but they are not doing it. They won't be doing anything for this thing. They are not seeing your love towards them. They are not seeing your emotions, what you are offering to them in this relationship, and that's why they are choosing to they are choosing not to see what you are offering. And that's why in future also I'm going to see your person will be in your the devil energy. Okay, now let's see what is the overall outcome of this reading. The Star. I feel with this Star card that the healing is coming in this relationship for your person. Your person is definitely going to heal themselves in coming time. Okay, they won't be attached to this devil energy for long time in coming time, because at the end of the day they know you are the source of their happiness, and they also see that you love them and you have emotions to offer them. And once they will realize it, once they will acknowledge your emotions towards them, they will definitely going to heal themselves in coming time. Okay, now let's take one divine message for you. One divine message for my Capricorns, please, angels. It is up to you. So with this card, it is up to you. I feel that your angels are asking you to, I mean, they are asking you to take a helping hand, or they're asking you to help your partner. I mean, you only can bring them out. I mean, you only can take them out from this devil energy with your emotional, I mean with this King of Cups. Okay, so now angels are asking you, it is up to you whether you want to move your person out from this Eight of Swords energy or not. Now it is totally dependent on you. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you all the signs. So we have Earth sign with this Eight of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. With this Four of Wands, we have Capricorn energy is also with this Devil card. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini as well, and we have Aquarius also in this reading, and water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this King of Cups. So that was the reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.